Hi, friends. I have today all the Maxbyte co-founders and core team with me. So yesterday, um, we have come up with the concept of 10 ideas, 10 entrepreneurs, 10 lakhs rupees each by April 31st, mainly to nurture many ideas and use cases for Industry X.0. So I have explained about the concept to the team here, and I also got some feedbacks from them. So I thought of having this session shared with you. So I will be quickly introducing you one by one, and I request each one of them to share their views about that and about how this program could help and what are the things to be considered. Each one of them will be explaining about that. So maybe I will start with Sabari. So Sabari is our chief product officer, and yeah, previously he was with ICICI, Accenture, Infosys, and joined Maxbyte, and he played multiple roles. And currently is in an assignment of building an architecture of Industry 4.0. So I request Sabri to share his views on this model of accelerating ideas.
Thanks, Ram. This thought process and these ideas and this intra-company acceleration will definitely help Maxbyte to generate lot of industrial ideas, specifically from the perspective of customer viewpoints. And it also helps as a company, it will help to grow talent, and from talent comes new ideas, from new ideas comes new thoughts and new applications and new use cases, and these use cases when applied to customer things will give customer benefits as well. And gen- adding to these is the complete process, the technology behind it, the applications, everything transfers into intellectual property, which is going to be a very big asset for Maxbyte, which will help to build new sets of intellectual properties in terms of patents, copyrights, and trademarks that will improve the company's overall branding and image as well. And secondly, on the perspective, this is an also a challenging process internally, more like because it is a combination of inside and outside partnership. There will be a partnership of the team from funding companies from outside. There is companies who are going to support technically, who will be like vendors or partners for us as well. So as a financial standpoint, we would like also to explore upon how ways we can solve these problems and streamline the processes, so that these budding entrepreneurs can have a successful vision, and completely they can build a roadmap which will be beneficial for both Maxbyte and all the general industry 4.0 community as well.
Yeah, thank you, Sabri. Uh, Now I request Surendran. Surendran is our global delivery director, and in addition, he heads the Southeast Asia market for Maxbyte. He comes with an experience of PLM CAD customization from the companies like General Electrics, Robert Bosch. Then he joined Maxbyte and driving the entire customer success. So I request Surendran to share his view on this program.
Thanks, Ram. Mainly this program, as Sabri has also mentioned, and Ram also gave brief insights. We are thinking about in terms of three pillars. We can say, like, one is on the product side, which will strengthen our product portfolio as a company. We will grow in terms of product-based portfolios and product-based solutions. We can have it. Second, in terms of customer point of view, where they can have kind of a ready solution for their problem, for their requirements, so it can be easily kind of a plug and play kind of a deployment that we can give it to them. And third is as well as for our people who's working on this one, who want to have a different career path, or who are interested in terms of entrepreneurship, who can have who wants to start their own. So it is kind of an what to say, a opportunity for them also to explore it and learn it and to gain more experience in that aspect as well. So with that, all the three aspects combined together, this program has been formed, and I think it will definitely going to get a lot of benefits for Maxbyte as a company, as well as for our customers, for our new customers as well, and as well as for our people who wants to have an different set of experience in exploring the new technologies and cutting edge and developing or creating their own cutting edge products which can easily benefit in the market. So I think these three, I think it's a major advantage that is going to be becoming like kind of outcome from this program, and I think people will be more interested, especially so we as a team is very much interested in seeing the outcome of this one. Our investors are very much interested also to see the outcome of this program, and our people are very keen to work on this kind of initiatives and programs. So I think this is a very good start that we are going to have, and we wanted to quickly introduce these products to the market as well.
Yep. Thank you, Surinder. Now Vinod. So Vinod is our key account management head for Middle East, and also he head the Middle East Africa market for Maxbyte. And he comes with a background of PLM, worked in companies like ITC Infotech, Tech Mahindra, and joined Maxbyte. And so I request Vinod to share his views.
Yeah, thanks, Ram. So this concept or program of this entrepreneurship is like quite relevant in today's time. So as far as this innovation and agility is concerned, so by introducing such kind of the concepts, so our team members and employees, and also running a appropriate program, so which will inspire or motivate and also excite them to contribute towards the sustained operational improvements, and also the respective the individuals who take the initiative to innovate or turn a idea into a new product or services, and also which will help our improve in our existing Byte Factory products which we are providing to customers, from engineering operations to aftermarket solutions. Also these entrepreneurs who knows our business in and out, and each one have their unique experience and knowledge that can bring to, which will help to bring to the table, which will help us to better transform our products more efficiently and also at some accelerated pace. So some of the major benefits of this program, so both organization wise and the individual wise, we can grow together, and also these innovative ideas which will be converted into a new product or services which will help our client, we can address the client pain points or challenges and provide better solutions which will be more easy for the customers to have the kind of solution. And also from the individual perspective, which will improve the employees morale and productivity, and also increase in agility, and we can have a inbuilt knowledge and the talents for this program.
Thank you, Vinod. So now next with Vishwa. Vishwa is our Chief Technology Officer, and he comes with automotive testbed background, automation and analytics kind of an experience from companies like iGate, Capgemini, and IAS Vices kind of companies. So I request Vishwa to share his views about this program.
So first of all, this is really an exciting and interesting idea to think of, mainly because it involves our people who are associated with us. So far, not only us, I think most of the industries and organizations primarily look into customer focus. And nowadays, the trend is changing, and people focus is equally getting important. And it's good to know that we are also getting into that focus and helping our people to be more accountable, get more ownership. So these are, this kind of initiatives will definitely help. But of course, there are various challenges that we need to address and look into, mainly because we are going to involve uh, uh, mostly the key people who are already in various critical projects and product development and implementations. So those people are going to be part of this. So it's an interesting challenge that we need to address, considering the smooth progress of the ongoing operations and these new ideas, how to take it up. So these are very exciting times to bring this initiative and also get the operations in the right track. So looking forward to this initiative and mainly bring more entrepreneurs from our company itself and getting more leaders developed within our group. So that's really exciting. So looking forward to this.
Yeah, thank you, Vishwa. So in summary, this program is going to generate some top relevant use cases and helps to identify the intrapreneurs, which could be a next leadership of Maxbyte, and also it helps to create a new career path to the people, and also it address the need of the customer in the industry 4.0, and also it creates intellectual property to Maxbyte. In other side, we need to take care how the financial arrangements of for the 10 lakhs each ideas we need to sponsor. That is something we have to work it out, and we need to also see how to structure that in the company properly. Another challenge is we need to ensure that our current projects and the deliverables and other operations are not affected much. If at all so, we should have a risk mitigation plan for that. So this is a very quick summary about what we discussed here. And it's not going to be an easy journey. And if it is easy, even everyone can do that. So it's going to be a tough journey for the next 4 weeks or 5 weeks by April 30th. I'm sure we should be able to make it happen. So I'm going to form a separate committee for this program. Most likely by tomorrow, I should finalize it. And I'll be having a round of discussion with them. And I need some good coordinators and passionate people to drive this as well. So I'll be completing that activity by tomorrow. And I'll keep you updated here. We have come up with a name or a program title. It's called IX.10X. So IX.10X is the program name. It's like a pre-accelerator program for all those ideas to get ready with the business plan and to attract the new customers and ensure the product market fit validation is done. So this is the objective of the program, and IX 10X updates. Stay tuned to get more details. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.